Here's a little problem-solving trick for y'all. While I'm working on this carving here, I'm carving underneath his jacket lapel, I guess. The grain is set up so that it's like coming out on both sides in a way that you want to cut down to clear that wood out. And because there's no room up here to get a gouge in there and get it started and carve that out, it goes, you know, that was hollowed out behind maybe, but not really. So I come up with this. I didn't invent this. This is a hook. Well, I made it out of a chainsaw file, but they've been around for a long, long time. I just didn't have one, so I made it. And I brought the sides up. This end of it comes up pretty far. So I got it sharp on both sides, and both edges are sharp. So it's very versatile. I can use it on both sides of the carving. I can use these sides for light planishing off inside. But see, it gets in there. It cuts good. And then when you get down into the more open area, my head's not in your way, I have a bigger one, which again, the open end comes up pretty high. And so I can use this edge here like a number 3 gouge, as with this, and this even is sharp enough to do some surface whittling if I wanted to. That's really good. It's like a 1-tooth chainsaw. I'll go back in here with some knives and things that I've made over the years, and someday I'll put together a little composition of all these different little weird things that I've made for carving. You get into jams, it's like, oh, there's only one way out, and you can't just like run to the store and buy it. So you go, okay, let's make it. Anyway, hope that was helpful, and thanks for checking us out. Take care.